When your lemon chicken calls for browning and slow cooking, we make it so easy to do it all in one place. Combination cooking with the Cuisinart Cook Central 3-in-1 multi-cooker for saucy bolognese, low and slow. Braise short ribs, go high and low. Simmer soups and super chili. And even steam artichokes. With the Cuisinart Cook Central, you don't have to cook. It does the cooking for you.
The new KitchenAid multi-cooker delivers amazing versatility and consistent culinary results. Over 10 cooking methods, including 4 step-by-step modes, simplify cooking using precise and consistent even heat technology. Sauté or steam vegetables or chicken without additional cookware. Simmer a bisque or sauce to perfection one day, then slow cook savory cassoulet the next. Start a busy day with Irish porridge and berry compote, and finish it with a perfectly seared melt-in-your-mouth roast. It's one cooking vessel with amazing versatility. The optional stir tower can mix, flip, stir, and incorporate fresh ingredients at the start. Stir intermittently or throughout the entire cooking process. Prepare risottos, soups, rice, and even yogurt with one button, as your multi-cooker simplifies complex cooking sequences and temperatures for you. Or make dishes like coconut curry shrimp and vegetables effortlessly. Discover how easy gourmet cooking can be with your KitchenAid multi-cooker.
From Wolf Gourmet, the way you cook is about to be revolutionized. Introducing the multi-function cooker. This high-performance appliance can slow cook, sauté, sear, prepare rice, and even sous vide. As a slow cooker, the manual, meal timer, and program modes allow you to plan and cook your meal to achieve precise, delicious results. Because of its intelligent design, the multi-function cooker does the work for you. Pre-program your dish to cook on 2 different temperatures, switching automatically, so you can tend to more important things. Or program your meal to be finished cooking exactly when you're ready to serve it. The option of a temperature probe allows you to cook sauces or meat to an exact temperature. Sauté vegetables or sear a filet. Cook 6 to 18 cups of white or brown rice and sous vide in temperature-controlled water for precise results. With the Wolf Gourmet multi-function cooker, you can create a culinary masterpiece with confidence. More precise control means more delicious meals every time.
Love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!